Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most fantastic, crowd-pleasing punch. Everywhere I take this, people want the recipe. Well, I'm going to share it with you today. So stinking easy. All right. Also, if you need an adult version of this, super easy, just add vodka. Okay, let's get started. In goes, we have pure cranberry juice. And you're probably wondering what that is in there. I'm going to tell you about that in a second. All right, so you're going to add about 2 cups of pure cranberry juice, okay? Now this is unsweetened. This is not the cranberry juice cocktail, okay? This is pure cranberry juice. By the way, antioxidant level on this punch, super good. All right, you're going to add quite a bit of the pomegranate, and we're going to bring it up there a little bit. About the same on that. Now, depending on how big your punch bowl is, you might need to, tweak this a little bit, add your ingredients smaller, and then add more as needed. And then, for all those who are watching their sugar or can't have sugar, Sprite Zero. Look how gorgeous is that already. And what we have in there, to chill it down, we have cranberries frozen in ice. And we had little chunks of that added in there to make it nice and cold. This is what I had on hand today, so I used this. But usually I use the Cranberry-Pomegranate blend that is 100% juice. You can find it in your grocery aisle. And it shortcuts this even more. Now, all you need to do is get that in. You can chill all this down in the refrigerator ahead of time so that it's nice and cold. All right. And then we have our glass with our beautiful little chunks in there of the ice and the cranberry. And you can do that just plain ice, no problem. Look at that. How gorgeous. And guys, truly, it's that easy. Oh my word, that's so good. Oh my goodness, that is so good. And so refreshing. And remember, with all these pure juices, you've raised that antioxidant level through the roof. So you can feel good about giving this to your family or your friends. All right, that's what there is to it. And if you like that, give me a thumbs up and like, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.